Okay, you can align from here also, and if you want underline or italic, bold, you can do from here also. Then you can increase this width, height, like that. You can change, and this has few sections. First one is page header, then line items, and page footer. Okay, now these are the tables. From here you can select that details or fields from here, and you can drag and drop here. Then those values will display from here in your quotation. Now if you want to add customer balances, by selecting this balance, you can drag and drop here. And if you want to add credit limit of this customer, you can add here. Like that, you can take fields from these tables, and you can locate that relevant places. Okay, and you can go through these fields, and you can add that fields to these quotations. Now you can enter credit limit, customer contact name here. Then these additional fields, postal address, web address, like that. Customer details you can drag and drop here. Business registration number, those things you can drag and drop here. Then after that, there may be customer document headers. Now first one, company. That company is our company details, our company city, postal address, those things will display here. Then customer details, then fields related to that document header, I mean the document. Then you can select that document numbers, invoice date, due date. Then overall discount, tax, those fields you can drag and drop from this customer document header. Okay. Then document lines, that means you can add document lines to this detail. Then user defined fields related to that document, and registration info. Okay, now for an example, in your quotation there may be few more than one line, but when you are designing the layout, if you have given one line, it will display all other lines also. Okay, you don't want to enter number of lines for that quotations. If you enter any now for an example, in your quotation there may be 5 lines, 5 items there, and but here you need to add only one line, then system will automatically add other lines also. Okay, now this comment is when you enter that quotation, you can add any comments here by clicking this file mark. Then new line will display, and you can type any comment here. Like that, comments you can add. Then it will display in these comments. Okay. Then in this left side, you can use some icons there. Now, when you are designing, for an example, if you want to add invoice number and you want to mention that invoice number, and you want to mention that invoice number from the this database. Okay, that case, first select add a label here, and you can rename that label. Then from here, from this field list, you can add that document number. Okay, then assume you want to add invoice date. Sorry, we are entering quotation. Now I'll change to this quote.